Okay, next skill 25. While listening, determine the topic. So, jadi selama atau selagi kita mendengarkan audio, kita pun harus fokus karena kita harus menangkap topik apa yang sedang mereka bicarakan. Seperti dalam contoh ini, on the recording you hear the major earthquake that occurred east of Los Angeles in 1971 is still affecting the economy of the area today. So, while listening, you think the topic of the talk is the effect of the 1971 earthquake on Los Angeles today. Jadi, dalam sekalimat ini pun kamu harus pintar-pintar menebak atau menangkap topik apa kira-kira yang sedang mereka bicarakan. Oke, langsung saja kita bahas dan menjawab soal exercise 25 ini. Hanya 3 soal ya teman-teman. Kita mulai.
Listening part C. Exercise 25. Listen to the first part of each of the talks and decide on the topic of each talk. Number 1. The first part of talk 1 is
Welcome to Biology 101. I'm Professor Martin, and this is your laboratory assistant, Peter Smith.
What is the topic of talk 1?
Okay, what is the topic of talk 1? Kata si Professor Martin, welcome to Biology 101. Ini seperti dosen yang pertama kali bertemu di kelas. Soalnya dia memperkenalkan dahulu. Kalau pertemuan yang sudah 8 pertemuan atau udah 4 pertemuan pasti tidak akan memperkenalkan diri lagi kan. Yang pasti yang pas perkenalan itu hanya di awal saja. So, the topic of talk 1 is the first day of class in Biology 101. Next, question number 2.
Number 2. The first part of talk 2 is in yesterday's class we discussed the volcanoes located in the area known as the Ring of Fire, an area which basically encircles the Pacific and includes the United States Mount St. Helens, as well as Japan's Mount Fuji and Argentina's Aconcagua, the highest mountain in the Western Hemisphere. Most of the world's approximately 500 active volcanoes are located along the Ring of Fire, and the eruptions that take place there are among the most violent in the world. Today, we are going to discuss the volcanoes of Hawaii, which are quite different from the volcanoes in the Ring of Fire. What is the topic of talk 2?
Okay, number 2, what is the topic of talk 2? Walaupun dari percakapan yang kedua ini, pria lebih banyak menceritakan tentang volcano di Ring of Fire, tetapi dalam yang akhir dia bicarakan yaitu today we are going to discuss the volcanoes of Hawaii. So the point is mereka akan lebih membahas tentang volcano di Hawaii daripada di Ring of Fire. So the answer for the question number 2 is the volcanoes of Hawaii. Like that. Okay, next question number 3.
Number 3. The first part of talk 3 is
I hope you've enjoyed your visit so far in Washington, D.C. Today we're going on a tour of the Smithsonian.
what is the topic of talk 3?
Okay, what is the topic of talk 3? Si wanita ada berkata, today we're going on a tour of the Smithsonian. So, ini sudah jelas ya, seperti dalam nomor 1. Ini hanya 2 kalimat maybe. Yes, 2 kalimat. So, kita dapat lebih mudah menangkap topiknya, apalagi si wanita lebih menekankan today we're going on a tour of the Smithsonian. So, the topic of talk 3 is a tour of the Smithsonian.